Hello guys, welcome once again to my channel. My name is Kcee, your regular host. Today I have gist about Davido. Davido is a big boy. In fact, if not the biggest boy in Nigeria entertainment sector. Davido, oh, the guy just surprised Nigeria. Davido be one fly go Atlanta with him private jet as he wan comot for him house for Banana Island. Now he can get intel say, oh boy, traffic dey for road before he go reach airport. Oh boy, time go don go. Now Davido call me vaccine helicopter say, hey, me vaccine, hello, abeg you bring the helicopter come my house for Banana Island. Come lift me go airport to me I go enter my private jet. Now so Davido bin dey enter helicopter because say Davido bin dey avoid Lagos traffic. Oh boy, see big boys doings, see big boy workings. The guy don show una workings how to do am. Say, oh boy, if you are stranded in anywhere in any part of the world, just book a flight to your destination. It's so easy. It's so easy, but it's not easy like that. See, now money you go chop. If you no get money, that kind of thing, no go drama. Do not try such endeavor. Oh boy, if you never chop belle food, reach am. Now Davido, now him be dey show them working. So now Davido be then show them what doings in they try to prove to them say he na Omah Baba Olowo. No be mistake to call am 001 because say na the only Nigerian entertainer we get private jet. Others dem dey hire am. Davido, hey, oh boy, see senior boy doing helicopter because of traffic. Hey, but na the camera wey they come dey put in front, e come be like say that thing na video shoot. Hey, I no even sure say na real, but the guy landed safely and the guy enter in jet. They go Atlanta. Hey, big up to Davido. Davido, you are a big boy. Davido, you be the truly 001. Davido, hey, be confirm Omah Baba Olowo. Na big boss doing be that too. People like Davido, Whiskey, Burna Boy, Kcee, Olamide, Asake, Rema. Hey, na dem fit do that kind of thing. If you never chop belle food as I dey talk, you go enter traffic, you go stay there with traffic, you go follow them manager. Now go sweat am out too. But if you get your own car, the traffic self go make sense because say your car go get AC. I assume say your car go get AC. But if you no come get AC, na double wahala be that too. But your own still better for person we can go enter Korope or you go enter inside downfall. They go, you can go stuck inside traffic. Oh boy, that one a serious punishment too. It no easy. People they suffer, people they struggle for this Naija. Hey, for transportation. If traffic mama you for road there. Oh boy, now there you go chop your breakfast, chop your lunch, chop your dinner. You go even sleep there. Oh boy, it no easy. Davido, big up to you for showing us the big boys doing. Thank you very much for watching today's episode. My name is Kcee, your regular host. If you know you are new to my channel, can you please hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and also put on the notification bell for more updates. I will see you again tomorrow. Bye.